Hi, my name is Pooja Patil. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Pooja Patil and I am from Dhule, Maharashtra. I had completed my schooling from KSG High School, Dhule. After that, I completed my graduation in BBA from North Maharashtra University. I had also worked in Accenture for 8 to 9 months as in non-voice process. Due to COVID, I lost my job because of some personal reasons. After that, I searched a lot of job on Naukri.com and I found Evision Technoserve Company. Evision is a IT recruiter company and I am a management student. I don't have any idea about IT techniques and IT knowledge, but Monali ma'am told me that Evision will help you to learn every little things about IT knowledge and IT techniques. After that, I joined Evision and learned so many things like cloud computing, cybersecurity, Linux, CCNA. In networking, I learned so many basic things like topology, VPNA protocols, and firewalls, and many more. In CCNA, I learned technique is that routing, switching, and many more details about protocols. And I have also learned Windows administration. In Windows administration, I learned how to create administrated account, how to join client to server, then remote management, desktop management, how to troubleshoot, and many more. Also, Evision conducted mock interview for every section. I would like to say thanks to Evision for giving me the opportunity to learn a lot of things and giving me the confidence that I have today. Thank you.